Hey guys, welcome to Origin Performance. So this weekend's a bit of a sleepy one, so I thought there'd be no better opportunity to show you guys how I wash and detail my 2014 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. That being said, it's not the dirtiest at the moment, but I'm heading out with some friends later to a car show in the area and the car's gotta be looking its best. So join me as I get my Jenny Coupe looking spiffy as hell. I just want to start the video off with saying that I'm by no means a professional car detailer. If you want a professional job, take it to a professional. This is just how I do it. I think it's the most efficient use of my time versus cleanliness of the car, and how I can get it looking as good as possible in the shortest amount of time. That being said, if you do want to learn how to do it, I'm sure there's a Mr. Christopher Fixtifer video for you. I usually start off my detailing with a quick vacuum, and I recently bought these awesome brushes off of Amazon. This one's a brass colored one and it's the medium strength one of the bunch. It's able to get in there and really lift up the dirt so you can vacuum it up. Also included is this nylon brush. I'm able to use this into the seats to really lift up some of the dirt there. Whatever I don't get now, I'll get later with more of the products I use. Finishing up with the vacuuming, it was on to the detailing wipes. Honestly, I love these things. I used to fiddle around with paper towels and a spray, and these things are just the best. And they're relatively inexpensive, which makes them even better. After getting the dash nice and clean, it was then on to the sealer for all the non-leather parts to really get them to shine and protect them from UV light. Now for one of my favorite parts of the interior detailing is the leather seat cleaner. This product's awesome. I use that same nylon brush to really scrub it in, and once you wipe it off, it leaves this beautiful shine that's not only clean, but with the conditioner it also helps protect the leather from future abuse. Lastly, it was time to hit the interior with the glass cleaner. I know technically you're not supposed to use it on the screen, but the BK2 premium screen is honestly so junk I don't care if the touchscreen gets worse. It's time to flip the car around and get ready to clean the outside. I don't know if technically necessary, but I always like to start with watering the car down. Then using this car shampoo gun, I'll try to completely coat the car in soap. Then using 2 clean buckets, I'll fill one with water and that same soap we used before, and I'll also grab a second one with a dirt trap at the bottom. Then it was on to scrubbing. So I'll usually start with the rims because they're the dirtiest with one of the mitts, working my way upward with the other mitt. After completely scrubbing the car, it was then time to quickly rinse it off, and then for probably one of the most important steps when cleaning your car, and that's drying it, and drying it properly. Using clean microfiber cloths, go in straight lines and straight down if you can. What's most important is to not go in circles. That's how you get shitty looking swirl marks and all your hard work will be for nothing. After the car is completely dry and the paint needs it, I'll hit it with the clay bar. You'll notice that this one has dirt and whatever trapped in it. This one's junk, onto a fresh one. What you want to do first when handling clay is to knead it a few times to get it nice and flat. Then you'll take the product that it comes with. I know some people recommend not using it. I personally don't care and have found good results using this stuff. And then once again, just like drawing, straight lines, never circles. With clay barring, you'll notice there's not much of a difference in where I've done and where I haven't, but what you'll feel is that this side is incredibly smooth. While this side, although hot as hell at the moment, is still kind of grainy. And that's exactly when you know you need to clay bar your car. After the clay bar, it's then time to hit it with the waxer. I'm using a non-abrasive product here, and this is just to get the car to sparkle and really seal in the wash. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the car wasn't the dirtiest when we started, so that's why you'll notice we haven't used any sort of heavy-duty cleaners like for the rims. That being said, my absolute favorite part of cleaning the car is hitting it with a tire shine, which I absolutely butcher here. And with that, we have the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's what the finished product looks like and what yours can look like too.